Hello, this is Peter Lin. Today we are going to talking about the intentions for making laminated glass with color EVA film, the tips for making laminated glass with colored EVA film. Because of the color tolerance of EVA film, when you making high quality of color laminated glass with color EVA film, there are two tips. Tips 1. Carefully use different orders of color EVA film in one design or in one project. Even if you order from the same EVA film manufacturer, the color of the EVA film may have color tolerance, and different producing schedule and different producing batch. If you use the color EVA film of different orders in one design or one project, make sure you make small samples to compare the color uniformity. This is the tip 1. The tip 2 is when you're making color laminated glass in same design with the long-time storage colored EVA film, please make small samples of glass to make sure the color of EVA film is not changed along the storage. Let's review one more time. Today we are talking about the tips for making laminated glasses with color EVA film. Because the color tolerance of EVA film, when you're making high quality of colored laminated glasses with colored EVA film, first, tip 1. Carefully use different orders of color EVA film in one design. Even if ordered from same EVA film manufacturer, the color of EVA film may have some tolerance and different producing batch. If you plan to use color EVA film of different orders in one design, one project, make sure you make small samples to compare the color uniformity. Tip 2. When you making color laminated glasses in same design with a long-time storage color EVA film, please make small samples of glass to make sure the color of EVA film is not changed, is not faded among the storage, is not changed or faded among the storage. And if you have more questions or if you want to order EVA film, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cnc@cncglass.com. Backup mail address is cnc@cnceva.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat app or mobile phone number. And our website is cncglass.com. Backup website is cnceva.com. Thanks very much for watching.